Good morning, friends. You know that first time I'll make the video. There are many videos. First, noun and the number. Today I'll tell you about noun and the gender. What is noun and the gender? So tell me, what is noun and the gender? You don't know, so I'll tell you what is noun and the gender. The noun which denotes male and female sex is called noun and the gender. What is types of gender? What is types of gender? There are four types of genders. First, masculine gender. Second, feminine gender. Third, common gender. Fourth, neuter gender. So first, I'll tell you about masculine gender. Masculine gender. What is masculine gender? So the noun which denotes male sex is called masculine gender. As like mother, as like father, brother, man. Now we will talk to you about feminine gender. What is feminine gender? So the noun which denotes female sex is called feminine gender. As like mother, sister, wife. It has two types of gender, masculine gender and feminine gender. Now next, I'll tell you about next what is the common gender. So the noun which denotes not specify of relationship is living thing that we called common gender. As like student, teacher, doctor. And now we will talk to you about what is neuter gender. Yeah, of course, I'll tell you as like the noun which denotes as deadline. Sorry. The noun which denotes as deadline of call is neuter gender. As like pen, table, chair. There are many examples because it is the deadline of examples. It is the four examples of masculine gender, of feminine gender, of common gender, of neuter gender. It is not impossible there in the life. First, you should choose in the target, and after then we count success in the life. It is most important for success. Now you can watch the videos, and after then you will make the notes. Very important. You will not make the notes, then you will not success. Why not? Because you will forget all the things. So first you will watch the videos, and after that you will make the notes. Very important. Without notes you can't success in the life. There is nothing of gender, only it is most important what is gender and what types of genders and which is types of genders. So as like there are four types of gender: masculine, feminine, common, neuter. It is of examples, and we can say that next day I'll teach you what is a pronoun. What is pronoun? So next day I'll tell you. But in my view, if you are new in my channel, then subscribe and like. Don't forget, because I'll doing work for you. So now it is your responsibility that you will share, like and subscribe if you are new, and you are old, then you will like. Okay, we will meet you next day.